Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Stanley Park for another Anfield Road expansion update. I wasn't going to come today, but I need to explain yesterday's video. So it's caused a little bit of unrest, if you like. So yesterday I announced on the thumbnail, so confirmed no fans in the upper tier for the Everton game. So that's only confirmed to me from my source, okay? It's not confirmed by Liverpool. And to be fair to Liverpool, they've never said that it'll be open for the Everton game. The contractors did. And people inside the club said that it is a sellout. And what else? Oh, it's okay. I've come up on my scooter, just keep an eye on my scooter, that's all. So the people who've bought tickets in the upper tier are getting worried. Now, there's been no confirmation from Liverpool that they have sold tickets up there, but fans are saying they've bought tickets up there, so that's where the worry is, because people have paid for hotels, flights, boats, trains. Okay, so people have forced that money and they want to know if they're going to match or not. Sorry about that, I should have been looking around while I was talking there. I'm going to have a look at this wall down here. So yeah, it's only been confirmed to me by someone who I trust. That wall hasn't really come on that much, has it? It's come along a bit. So anything I say is all me. This is all me researching. It's me asking people. It's people volunteering information to me. Okay, it's all my point of view. Okay, it's nothing to do with the club. It's nothing to do with anyone else. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If my information's wrong, I take responsibility for that being wrong. Okay, I haven't been told it's not. I've still been told that it won't be open. The message I got was no fans in the upper tier for the derby, and I said, "Is that definite?" And the reply back was 100%. Okay, so this is the person that I never ask for information. They always contact me out the blue and give me a little bit of information. Okay, so this is the person that I trust the most. This is the person who gives me the information about the stand not being open for the beginning of the season before Liverpool announced it. Okay, so just to try and clear something up there. If you've got any questions, ask me. Okay, because there's a lot of worried people now, and I don't mean to worry people. I just pass on information that I'm given, and you make with that information what you like. You can choose to believe it, you can choose not to believe it. Okay, if I think it's credible, I'll mention it. Now, I've always said no rush for this to be done, which there isn't. But if there's tickets being sold, then the club needs to let the fans know that they can't go if it's not going to be open. That's all my gripe is. And you need to let them know ASAP. Not like a few days before the match or a week before the match or whatever. I'm hoping the information's wrong. I hope it is open. So there's not really much going on there as the shooting wise. And this is the end of the day. This is late on in the day. It's been raining all day in Liverpool. What these are doing. They're pushing that step into place, aren't they? That's interesting. Or Liverpool have let people know that it won't be ready. Maybe they've heard my information going, let's prove him wrong. And we'll try and get it open in time. But yeah, it's, everything I say is me, okay? It's not from the club. The club have announced nothing. They haven't even mentioned about tickets being on sale. But when I went online, you could buy a ticket for hospitality in the upper tier. Now, I know people who've bought tickets in the past have been relocated elsewhere in the grounds, but if it's 61,000 sellouts for the derby, where are they going to put 61,000 fans when there's only, what? Is it 48,000, 50,000 seats available? No, it's more than 50, I forgot now. Well, let's say 50,000 upwards seats, but 61,000 tickets sold. How would they accommodate that? You know, last time I went to school, that it couldn't be done. Yeah, it's late on in the day, but I needed to get out and just and put my points across. No one's really had to go at me. Well, no one's had to go at me, to be fair. Someone's just said, is this from the club? No, it's not from the club. It's just someone who I know, who's in the know, has let me know. You know? Yeah, so, again, I don't mean to panic anyone, but that's just information I've been given and I've passed it on, that's all. To the majority of the fans, it means nothing. Football's still going ahead, football's still going to get played. It's just so that the odd few thousand that have got tickets up there, it's going to make a difference to them. Is it me or is that road looking a lot better now? Outside? I'll just zoom on people to see what they're doing. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to clarify here. I don't think there is. Any opinions I have as well, they're my opinions, they're no one else's. And that's what these channels are all about, you know. We all have different opinions, and that's why people watch the different footage that gets put out. Yeah, that's filling in there. So what's going down there? Is that some sort of wiring? I take it down there then? That's gone in. Yeah, so if anyone's got any questions regarding this, just fire them in the comments section and ask me. I was answering questions all last night on yesterday's video, because when I put the video out, I was still under the impression that everything was going to go ahead as normal, and then once I got home about 3 hours later, I received that message saying no fans in the stadium. So that's getting filled in it there. Yeah, so just to clarify things up, guys, that's all. So looking back on it, no more seats have gone in by the looks of it. But plenty of work on the outside. Got a dog legging me.
get on your pitch yet.
You can fly the drone if you want. You can fly the drone.
You haven't lost it, have you?
You are?
You haven't lost it.
No, it's up there. Yeah, dog was being nosy. Where are we? Right, there we are down there. See, I won't zoom in too much, I don't want to get people in shot. So yeah, not many seats gone in. But plenty of work going on the outside today. We haven't seen a lot of vehicles moving around, have we, to be fair, outside? Well, I haven't anyway. Maybe others have. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Not really much to report on, but I just wanted to get my point of view across of what's going on and the information I've been given. Okay. So it's entirely up to you what you make with that information. I say I get told a lot of stuff that I don't believe is true, and I also get told a lot of stuff that I think is true. So, well, a bit of stuff that I think is true. So I will share that information. Stop and look around there. Yeah, so I'll leave it there, guys. If you like the channel, please subscribe. This is a bit rushed because I just wanted to get. I wanted to do a follow up from yesterday's news. That's all. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Comment, ask me some questions. If I know, I'll answer them. If I don't, I'll try and find out. And likes always appreciated because it helps get the reach out there to other viewers, new viewers. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.